first I just want to show you guys the hair. I found this hair vendor off of Amazon. I basically just typed in passion twist crochet hair and I looked at all the different companies and I read their reviews. And I originally was supposed to get my hair done at a salon, and I've had this hair since March. I was supposed to go on vacation. Of course, with everything happening, I didn't end up going, so I decided to do it myself. So included is 7 packs of hair. This is just a nice greeting card letting you know their contact information, and then it came with accessories. It came with this crochet wand, which I will show you how to use later on, and then it came with some rubber bands and these cute hair accessories. So this is 20-inch hair pre-twisted passion twist crochet hair in the color 1B/27. I love the color and the hair is so soft. Just finished washing, detangling, and deep conditioning my hair. I also put a leave-in conditioner, and so now I'm just going in and putting all of my favorite oils to massage and to lock in the moisture before I braid my hair. Love doing protective styles. That's how I'm able to maintain my growth. So for the front half, I'm going to do 2 braids going back in the middle where my part will be, and then horizontal braids. I'll do about 3 on each side. I'm using a soft, flexible edge control to catch any of the little hair so my braids can be tight. The edge control is by Curls. It's the blueberry one. They also have a different color, but this one smells the best to me. And basically, you don't want to use a gel. This one will not make your hair hard, but while I'm braiding, it will catch all of the little hairs. I've already separated the hair that is going to part the top in the middle, and now I'm just going to make my horizontal braids. The important thing to remember is that after the first braid, once you get to the second braid, you want to make sure that your braids are connecting. So when you get halfway through the second braid, you want to grab the hair from the first braid and incorporate it into the row. This is the finished product. Now the back of my hair is just going to go in vertical cornrows, and I did about 4 or 5 of them. So I originally was not going to show you the back of my head because I hate my beauties. But anyways, you are going to want to take that last braid and sew it back onto itself so it's not hanging out. For the back of my head, I'm going to space the twist 2 finger widths apart. To use the tool, it's super easy. Make sure when you pass it through the braid, it's opened, and then you're going to hook the hair on like so, and then you're going to close the clamp and then pull the hair through the braid. Make sure that the clamp is opened when you're passing it through your hair. Sometimes I would forget and then it would get stuck in my hair. And then you also want the loop to be opened so that you can latch it onto the hook. It's so hard not to be able to see. But once you get it onto the hook, it doesn't have to be perfect, but majority of it has to be on the hook. Then you'll close the clamp, pull it through. And then, as you can see, you want to make sure that loop is open, and you're going to pull the hair through the loop and then pull the loop tight closed. So this is the back of the hair. This is 2 finger widths apart. I used about 4 packs with a little bit left. And now I'm going to continue 2 finger widths apart for the first 2 braids in the front. And the tool can just sit in there with the clamp open while you get the loop ready. So the first row and the top 2 braids are going to be single spaced, and that's so that there's no gap showing when you want to pull your hair back. So for the top, I learned to put the tool through 2 sections and then loop the hair on, and when you pull it through and you close the loop onto the hair, it pulls everything tighter and it actually looks like you do individuals. I've discovered this by accident because I needed more tension at the top. Since my braiding at the top wasn't so tight, the hair was sliding down. If you want to move a piece, it's super easy. You just pull at the loop to undo it. It just slides right apart, and then you can just redo it. And as you can see, I was just adding some tension in areas that I felt needed to be tighter. I really love the finished product. I actually took a few pieces out after I filmed because I just wanted it a little less full, but other than that, I really do love it. So once you're done, you're just gonna slick down your edges. I love this sheet is Bob Edge Control. Now this edge control will lay your edges down. And voila, just style as you want. You can do so many different styles. Maybe I'll do a video on the different things you can do with the hair. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.